Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Guess what I have today? Fabfitfun, 12 days of Fabfitfun. So it is a first for Fabfitfun, I believe. It is their advent calendar, so let's get in this. Usually popped up when the seasonal members had their edit sale, and I happened to see something for it on Instagram. I went over and let you guys know and immediately ordered it. It is now, and it has sold out. We did customization yesterday. I'm taping this today. I wanted to tape it yesterday, but I had to have part of a root canal. That's a whole nother story. So I'm taping it today and I'm gonna edit it and get it up. If not by this evening, I'll put it up tomorrow. That'll give you 2 days. I said when I did my last spoiler, if you thought you had any interest in this, go ahead and throw it in your cart as an annual when you did customization. That way, if you didn't want it, you could take it out because it did sell out. I don't know if they will restock for seasonal members or if that was it. Does this all come out? Let's see. It is its own full-size box in there. When we take it out, this is what it looks. Is that upside down? Yes. Very on brand. This is what it looks like when we take it out. It's kind of heavy. We know that there are 12 products in here. There were spoilers. I read them off to you really quickly. I tried not to dwell on them or look at them too much. So let's get in here. Now there was a piece of paper on top. We got this piece of paper with it. I'm gonna gloss up and let's see what it talks about. 12 days of Fabfitfun. What better way to celebrate the holidays than with 12 days of Fabfitfun? From cozy accessories to holiday ready makeup goodies, we can't wait for you to experience our most beloved products. The countdown is on. And then the front of it, oh my goodness, it matches the box. It looks exactly like the box. How cool is that? And it has numbers, so I suspect it's gonna tell us about all of the products that are in here. So number one, let's find it. Number one is the little one over here on the corner. Ooh, looks good. We have a Bite Beauty right off the top. It was nicely in there and it seemed very well protected, and I fully appreciate that. The color is Cinnamon Twist. Perfect for Christmas. This is so exciting. I'm so happy about this. If you are new to Fabfitfun, it is a seasonal lifestyle box. To purchase this, you do have to be a member, as to do any of their sales. I have all the spoilers up for the winter box. If you have any interest in checking that out, I have my link below. It will get you $10 off your first box. So I just popped up the number one. So this is where I can actually look at the numbers. And it says it is Bite Beauty Yay Sayer Plumping Lip Gloss in Cinnamon Twist, and it has a $25 value. I should tell you, this had a $79.99 cost. They said it would have more than $300 in value. I just destroyed that box trying to get it open. I should have opened it from the bottom. Oh, she's very festive and shiny. Kind of brown looking. We'll see if it goes on like that or if it's just more of a gloss. Oh, so the inside looks kind of like it's gonna be a lippy. I bet it twists, does it? Yep, it's twisting. This is so fun that Fabfitfun did an advent. It's taken a hot minute to get it twisted up. Oh, there we go. Oh, we got plenty. I kept twisting and plenty came out. Well, let's put this on. I just have on a very light lip gloss. My lips have been in a little bit of rough shape, so this could be, oh, the plumping could have some sizzle. So when you first put it on, can you see it? I can see it here. It's darker and it has some metallic shimmer to it. Oh, I can smell it too. It smells good. I definitely took too much out trying to get it twisted up the first time. It smells fantastic. Just like Christmas. I would expect nothing else though. Oh, it even tastes good. Oh my goodness. Because I love Bite Beauty. I ordered in my customization, I got the lippy. I love the Bite Beauty lips. It almost feels more like a lip oil than a lip balm. It tastes kind of sweet, kind of like a cinnamony cookie. This is very nice. This, I was afraid when I saw the brown. See how it actually, can you guys see how it went down some? I was kind of nervous that the brown was not going to work for me, but it's just a gloss with just a little bit of color to it. I like it. All right, $25 value right off the start. We paid for a third of our box in my rounding world, and I don't really feel any plumping. I'll let you know if it starts getting a little, because you know I already had lips on, so it might not penetrate as much, but we'll get back to that. Okay, number 2, and I'm going to use my little cheater. It's not helping me. Okay, smack in the middle. Ooh, it's heavy. Oh, it is Cocoa by Stone. Smells like a winter forest. And it is 2.5 ounces. I'd say it's probably going to be a candle because it feels way too heavy to be a perfume. It is a candle. Oh, it smells like Christmas. You know, it has that balsamy smell that the winter candles have at Christmas time. It smells fantastic. I love doing the advents that we get early for you guys, because then you get a chance to get out and purchase them. But I do love when we start opening them closer to Christmas, because you're really a little more in the Christmas spirit. I'm just gonna keep smelling it. Would you guys like it? Can you smell it? I know, just think balsam. Think hard. It smells good, right? That is what the front looks like. It's bigger than a votive, but not as big as the next size up. And this just tells us what we already knew, and that it has a $20 value. So we are at $45 of our $80 so far. And I'm just setting these back here, putting their boxes back in the box, and we'll put the products back here so you'll have a feel for what we have. All right, number 3, we have a very bubblegum pink Tangle teaser. I am not going to take this out of here. We seem to be receiving a lot of Tangle teasers in boxes lately, and I think I have 2 and I've given my husband one, so I will set this aside to pass along too. But it just says it is the original Tangle teaser and it has a $12 value. So we are at $57 3 days in. Number 4 is another little one over here by that lippy, so maybe it'll be another fun little thing like that. We have Color FX Shimmer Veil, and I received it in Halo. Yeah, that is what that looks like. And this has a $28 value, so that takes us to about $85. So if you like all of these products, you have now officially paid for your box. And that is what that looks like. I hope it's really difficult to see. Let me put a little bit on the back of. Oh, it's very, ooh, it's kind of a cross between an icy white and kind of a purplish color. Hope that it's right here. I hope that it's coming across. Wow. I think I could wear this on a day where I'm not wearing a lot of makeup. I don't love putting liquid highlighters over my makeup, but on days when I use like one of my cream blushes and a little lippy just to get a little in case I just want to run out and run errands, and I always do mascara. So just know if I leave my house, I have mascara on, but then just a little bit of color. There's some Papa Pow in there. All right, number 5, what's a bigger one over here? Wowsy doodles. Okay, what do we have? We have a mantra band. That is what that looks like. Let's see what mantra band means. It's a nice little canvas bag. The paperwork, it's coming out quite easily. The paperwork was harder to get out. Oh, it's a bracelet that says believe, which is really appropriate at Christmas time and or all of the time. And I do believe so. Oh, it fits very nicely. Plenty big. I don't know if you guys can see, it's got plenty of play in it. I would say it would fit. This has got to fit most wrists. If there's a problem with it, I would argue from the size of it that it's going to be with small wrists, not with bigger wrists, because I have plenty of play in that, and I am a 7.5, which is an average wrist size. I like that. It is so pretty. It says it has a $45 value, and it says, because every journey starts with believing, and belief will keep you going. Believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, believe you can. I would say there's a very important belief they left off there. All right, so this is really pretty, $45 value. So this really has a value add to the box if you like it too. And it's got some nice weight to it. I mean, I'm sure it's just, does it say anywhere what it is? It doesn't tell us what it is made of, but it says always remember to remove it before showering or exercising. Don't wear them in hot tubs or swimming pools. Number 6 is right next to it. 6 is next, right? Yes, that was 5. 6 is next. You can trip me up with the numbers. All right. Ooh, it's big. It's a 10 Miracle Deep Conditioner plus Keratin. I have a granddaughter that uses It's a 10, so I'm gonna set this aside for her, but this is huge. It is a full-sized 5 ounces, and it's a good size product. It has a $24.99 value. I have used It's a 10 in the past. I would use It's a 10, but it has keratin in it, and when you have super fragile hair, too much keratin, which is actually meant to make hair more strong. You can over protein your hair and that makes it break too. So I'm always afraid I'm not going to know where the line is and I'm going to use too much keratin. So I basically try not to do any added keratin, but that is a really nice product. Okay, she's getting full back there and we are halfway done. Number 7, another little one. I seem to be liking the little ones a lot. Number 7 is a Stila Stay All Day Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. And it is in Damsel. That is what it looks like. And if it's true to that, that's not black. It's kind of got a brown tone to it, which I like. I have been using, I used it today. I don't know if you can tell. I have been using more and more eyeliners. I really feel like as you get older and your face gets a little less color, natural color to it, I really feel like helping my eyes stand out is a good thing. It is like the crayon kind. Nope, it's black. Is it? I think it's black. It just looks black to me. But it says it's waterproof, and anything that I use like as a liner on my eyelids has to be waterproof because my eyes want to tear. So we will definitely try this. Number 8, it's a very wide one in the back. It is, oh my goodness, what is this? It is a Sorbus jewelry organizer case. I remember reading about this and thinking, what an interesting choice. It has a $29.99 value. Oh, hey, did I tell you? I don't think I did. The Stila has a $22 value. This has a $29.99 value, but I will tell you right now, they sell these in the edit sales and the add-on sale. They sell these Sorbus things all of the time. So if I were going to purchase one, I would absolutely wait for it to be in a sale. This is such a cute size. I might actually like it up here. So, oof, let me cover that. This is it from the top. This is a mirror, but you can see it's about, there you go. Well, no, it's mirrored on both sides. It's about the size of my hand. The top just lifts up. The mirror is embedded in it. And then the bottom is probably little 1 inch by 2 inch. They're not exactly square. Little 1 inch by 2 inch rectangles. You could just leave it out and open on your vanity. You could put jewelry in it or little makeups in it. I feel like I can see myself better than in a regular mirror. Is this got a, is it like a 2x or something? It doesn't brag about that. But this mirror is fantastic. I absolutely feel like I can see myself easily. It doesn't say if it's a magnifying mirror, so I would say it's probably not, but it does say it is 5.9 inches by 5.9 inches by 1.85 inches high. So that is the size of it. Put that back in the box because I was afraid the mirror would reflect for you guys. Number 9. Ooh, it says sugar, sugar. Get it out. Can't get it out. Here we go. Ncla Pink Champagne 100% Natural Lip Scrub. As I take these out and I read them, I remember thinking, oh yeah, I remember reading about that when I read you guys the spoilers, but I quickly put it out of my mind and it worked. I have used the Ncla scrubs in the past on my lips. I think last winter I got like a hot chocolate mint. Oh, so good. I love the way they feel and they usually smell, and they say taste, but I really try not to eat them. So good. Ooh, that's nice. Kind of smells bubblegummy to me. It's definitely fruity, but there is some kind of tang to it that's really nice. That is what it looks like. See the cute pink? Oh, it smells so fresh and nice. I will absolutely use these. Number 10. 10 is the biggest of the boxes, so let's see what that is. Oh my goodness. It is full. Oh, we have socks. Christmassy type socks. That is so cute. And scrunchies. It is the Summer in Rose, which is a Fabfitfun brand. 3-pack of cozy socks with 2 scrunchies, $35. Well, let's take them out because definitely using these. Kind of wish I had a pair on my feet right now. Oh my goodness, they are so scrunchy and soft and nice. I love that. So you have a pair that has almost like snowflakes look on it, and then just a pink pair. I hope that's coming across pink with a white heel. So cute. And then this one is just a, looks kind of like Santa. It's just a red sock with a white top. And then you have a, these are kind of velvety feeling. Not, these feel like, oh, like Barefoot Dreams. You know, that really soft, oh, it's so soft. This feels like velvet. And you have white and pink. 2 of these. So 2 of these, 3 pair of socks, a $35 value. That is kind of fun and different in an advent calendar. Now maybe I'm just excited because we spend so much time at home now that I love having warm socks just to wear around. And the socks say they fit shoe sizes 4 to 10.5, just for the record. Number 11, only 2 left. Oh, I know that box. We have a Spun Gel in Vanilla Bloom. It is a multi-use body wash infused buffer. And that is what this one looks like. I can smell it, but it's not super strong, and it doesn't smell like vanilla to me. Let's take it out and look at it. This is one of the ones that looks like a flower and doesn't have the hole with the string. I like it. It's not my favorite Spun Gel scent. I will probably pass this along anyway, because you guys know Spun Gels just aren't my thing. I want to like them. I love their scents. Usually I buy lots of their lotions and their body washes, but the scrubbers are just too harsh for my gentle, gentle self. Yeah, this would make an excellent Christmas gift. So this will probably get passed along. And this says it has a $20 value. I am telling you right now, never pay full price for a Spun Gel. They are always in sales. They are in the Fabfitfun add-ons, Fabfitfun edit sales. They have different shapes, different sizes, different prices. Boxycharm, if you belong to Boxycharm, they are in the sales that they have all the time. My advice would be never pay full price for a Spun Gel. And last but not least, let's dive in and see what we've got. Okay, whew, that was a hard one. And then my fingers are stuck. Oh, this is very nice. I have this, so I'm gonna set this aside. I'm not gonna pump it, but it is the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Glow Serum. Like I said, I have one of these, so I will pass this one along. But this is, what is the value on this? Let's look in our card. $42. So this pays for half your box. Oh wow, it's sealed. I'll go ahead and poke through it, just because even if I were going to give it away, I want to be sure it was okay. But this is so cute, and I really like it. I only use it in the winter because in the summer I don't really need the added moisture. But this is what it looks like. It's just so cute, and it has the little line in it just like a plum would. So cute. That is a great product to have in this advent calendar. All right. That is it. That is the Fabfitfun 12 days of Advent, 12 days of Fabfitfun. I think I could remember that for 2 minutes. Let me know. What do you guys think? Do you think that it's worth it? $79.99. Those are all of the products you get. The value is definitely there monetarily if these products work for you. The lip gloss has stayed on my lips. It has not wandered at all. It feels really nice. Like I said, it feels more like a lip oil. It doesn't feel sticky at all. I like it a lot. I never got a tingle from it. I did have a base on, so maybe that didn't allow it to penetrate and tingle as much, but it smells good. It tastes good. I like it a lot. Let me know below what you think of Fabfitfun's first Advent outing. I think 2 thumbs up personally. I open a lot of Advents and this is really nice. Thank you so much for spending the time with me to get this open. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos, more Advents coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye guys.